Students, in the earlier lesson we have seen how handicrafts are produced in the houses by the families using simple tools. We also saw how goods are produced on a large scale in the factories by machines and a number of workers. So, in today's lesson, let's look at how the production takes place in large factories. Wondering which factory we are going to? Students, all of us use paper in our day-to-day lives in some form or the other. Be it the newspaper, be it your notebooks, textbooks, art sheets, records, registers, progress reports, and so on. Have you ever wondered how the paper is made? Let us now look at how the production happens in a paper mill.
The paper mills are the places where paper is produced. The 4 paper mills in Andhra Pradesh include the paper mills in Bhadrachalam, Kurnool, Rajamundra and Sirpur Kagaznagar.
Raw materials are the items that are used to produce various kinds of products. The raw materials are required in large quantities by the factories for the production process. Here's an exercise for you. Try to take any 4 industries and make a list of the possible raw materials used in those industries. Students, what do you think are the raw materials for the paper production?
When it comes to the supply of raw materials to paper mills, the raw materials include wood from bamboo, subabul and eucalyptus trees. The subabul is the most widely used wood in the present day. In addition to the wood, various chemicals like common salt, caustic soda is also used in the making of paper.
The scrap paper is also recycled in the paper mills. But students, what do you think is another important element in the paper mills?
The electricity is one of the most important elements that help in running the heavy machinery factories. The electricity is generated through the power generators in the paper mills. In addition to the electricity, the paper mills also require large amount of clean water all around the year.
The raw materials are procured from the forests for making paper in the mills. This is the reason why most of the paper mills are established near the forests having bamboo and other soft wood trees. But now the paper mills have started procuring wood from distant places also. Students, do you know how bamboo is procured from the forests? The paper mills procure bamboo and other raw materials from the contractors engaged by them. The tribal people were employed by the contractors a few years ago. Students, you must have learnt in class 6th how the tribes were employed to cut bamboo from the forests in the Kunavaram hills. Do you know that the excessive cutting of bamboos has led to the decline of bamboo trees in the forests? This is one of the reasons why trees like subabul is being used as an alternative for making paper. The government has also encouraged people to cultivate subabul trees.